Dear friends, here you see a notification from Government of India, Ministry of Defence, Department of Defence Production, that is DDP. Applications are invited for the Group C non-gazetted posts as mentioned below. Here two categories are there. Number 1, stenographer grade 2, and number 2, senior storekeeper. But we know that we can discuss about stenographer grade 2. Here in total 3 vacancies are there and categorized accordingly. We'll see here the qualification, that is number 1, 12th class pass or equivalent from a recognized board or university. And number 2, skill test norms, dictation at the rate of 80 words per minute for 10 minutes dictation. The same should be transcribed within 50 minutes in English shorthand. Dear friends, they are not asking any certificate for shorthand certificate, but they are the candidate should be able to write 80 words per minute. That's it. And we'll see here the age factor for stenographer grade 2, 18 to 27 years, and relaxation also applicable as per Government of India rules. Here it is pay scale also given 25,500 to 81,100, and here it is given clearly about relaxation, that is general one only. There is no need to discuss about that. If it is required, the candidate should go through the instructions very carefully. And closing date, here it is given 28 days from the date of notification. That means the notification issued on 31st January 2024. So that today is 24th February. So only here 4 days time is there. That to the candidate who are wishing to apply, this is not online mode, but this is offline mode. The candidate have to download the application or type the application. I mean, in computer, just to type the proforma and send it. That is also there, dear friends. Within 4 days only you have to apply because today is 24th. Just I knew this notification just yesterday only, so that just I thought to share this information. For that purpose only, just I am sharing now, dear friends. And mode of selection it is given, the process is there. So the candidate only just you go through the instructions carefully point to point. As I am discussing here, only important points. And scheme of examination, the standard is 12th class standard of CBSE syllabus. And questions are in bilingual mode, two languages. And you see this syllabus given here in 4 categories: part 1, 2, 3, 4. Part 1, general intelligence and reasoning; 2, general awareness; 3, English language and comprehension; and 4, numerical aptitude. Each category contains having 25 questions and 25 marks. In total, 100 questions, 100 marks are there. And you see here the important thing, that skill test at prescribed norms. Only those candidates qualifying in written test will be called for skill test. So that, dear friends who are wishing to apply for stenographer grade 2, the candidate must have to be qualified in written test. Otherwise, they cannot allow to write skill test. The candidates who are going to qualify only they are going to be called for skill test. That is important, dear friends. Only we can discuss here about important points only. But you people who are applying, just you go through the instructions very carefully. And how to apply it is given instructions, dear friends. The envelope must be clearly prescribed on the top as application for the post of stenographer grade 2, and category also just you mention, dear friends. Here the address is to address to where you have to send is that here it is given to Chief Quality Assurance Establishment, Warship Equipment, Jalahalli Camp Road, Yeshwantpur, Post Bangalore 560022, along with the following documents. The required documents is to be enclosed and you have to send. That is what the required documents, just you go through the instructions, dear friends, and one self-addressed envelope also enclose with your applications and passport size photograph, etc. It is given, just you go through the instructions, dear friends, all these things. And nature of duties after selection for the post of stenographer, it is given here accordingly. So just you see, just you go through the instructions and suggestions. I am not going to tell you general instructions, just you go through the general instructions, dear friends. Just I'm sharing information, that's it. And remember that only 4 days time is there. You have to send your application through registered post or speed post. No ordinary post or courier here it is given. So you see here, this is application form. It is given like this. Whether you may, you may download this application or you may type separate in computer. Just you type the proforma and send it. Otherwise, you download this one also, dear friends. Offline mode only to send your application, but not online mode. This is application, dear friends. These are all 2 3 pages are there. Proforma, just to download and apply, or just to type in computer and download it and send the application to the concerned. These are all general instructions only, certificates, etc. So that this is the information just I am sharing, dear friends. Of course, already I think you knew that. Just I am sharing information who are not having any idea about this, because just yesterday only, just I got information from my friend, so that just I thought to share this information. So thank you, dear friends, and all the best, please.